Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini gilongi khubor bamta kasni. Ka sinjuki Rangbah Shnong jong kathemri Bhoi hai ka jingelam jong ba bibi makdo kala lumi ka jinge thir jingmut ki Pynroi ha district ri Bhoi bad ya jan ba ka sarkar ong utei Rangbah shaki menteri sarkar hasim pol parishol nongpo men ha kan rutrik ujimang. Ka jingya jan jengki kli nong sin shar Shnong ka themri Bhoi ki blade merging mut bat pensngo sha menteri Rangbah ka jylla u konrad ki sangma. U President ka sinjuk ulapan pau ya ka jingdan kam ban penti kana ba ka jing Pynroi hari Bhoi kan long khlam kinu ki jing penthun nabar bat ulaban jur halor ka jingdan kam ban yada ya ka jing yo benta jungki pat ba Shnong haki kam Pynroi jong ka district. Menteri Rangbah ka jylla u konrad ki sangma ni ka singi ulalit benta ha ka jingelang bala pelong da ka sinjuk ki Rangbah Shnong ri Bhoi hasin pol parishol nongpo. Haga ba ulaya kren berki Rangbah Shnong berki nongelam Shnong na keleng ke Bhoi district kene ke jingelang kalawan ra alang ye ki khot ka sinjung ki pat ba nong mi khmat berki he officer sarkar ban ye kren halor ka sinshar pat ba ha Shnong ki jingdon kam Pynroi bar ka benta jung ki tnat Shnong ban kentiu ye ka bha ka miat jong ki pat ba. Haga ni ka jingelang ka sinjuk ki Rangbah Shnong ri Bhoi kala IT ye ka dor khas si menteri Rangbah kabagdawi ki benta ki badan kam e ban Pynroi ye kari Bhoi district. Kane ka dor khas kababenta ha ka jing tei jing draw pat ba bar ka jing pen khan ye kitnat Shnong bat jing yat pat ba kala dawa ye ka jing yo government college Shnong po. Ka jing pen khan ye ka boarding electric bar ki nong trei ka jing pen bet pat ba ye ki yo jing ye di jing ye thiet jing ye pen yat jing ye dei ba jing ye benta Shnong khapun ka kot ka khya ba jing ye rap pat ba ha ki jaka nong kendong. Haba ai jingkran u menteri Rangbah u konrad ki sangma ula ai jingero ya ga benta jung ki Rangbah Shnong ha ga jingeda ya kariti ka dustur ba ka jingelong jingyatli jung ka jylla Meghalaya bar kumjuru ha ka balong ka jingyeso hapreng ka sarkar bat ki pat ba ulo ongru ba ka sarkar jylla kala yai beteng ban train na ka benta ka jing Pynroi pat ba ka ba yarungkat habaro ki district jong ka jylla.
For having taken the initiative along with his committee members, along with other local leaders, to organize this meeting and most importantly for inviting us here to this program. From 2018, with the blessings of the Almighty and the support of all the people of our state, we had embarked on a journey with the hope to be able to transform Meghalaya, with a desire to take our state forward, and with a wish to be able to make a difference in the people's lives. We realize that every state is different, and hence what works in Gujarat or what works in Tamil Nadu cannot necessarily work in Meghalaya. And hence the system, the policy and the mechanism to develop and take the state forward, the economic policies differ. And hence multiple areas, policies and programs were looked into. But we realized that there are three major pillars on which our economic model must be based. The first pillar was infrastructure, the capital investment, the investment in roads, the investment in government offices, infrastructures, investments in tourism, and all other infrastructures to be built up for the people in the state as a whole. Second, we realize that apart from ensuring that the infrastructure is developed, this infrastructure will be meaningless if the people are not involved in the process. And hence many programs and schemes like CM Elevate, CM Assure, CM Farm Plus are prime programs, are different self-help group programs. All these programs were initiated with ensuring that we need to have people-driven programs. The public must be involved, and hence programs and policies were made ensuring that the people were kept in the front. And the third pillar was our community. Meghalaya's biggest strength, which I believe, is Meghalaya's community and our tradition. This tradition has laid down the way our society works. It has institutionalized a system which people trust. And it's a mechanism which has worked not just for years, but for centuries in the past. And hence, for an economic model and for a state government to be successful in ensuring that we are able to develop an economic model to take a state of Meghalaya forward, it cannot be without the community. It cannot be without the traditional institutions. And hence, in all our programs in the past, you must have seen that the government of Meghalaya has always taken the community along with it. We ensure that wherever large programs are being implemented, the different village communities, the different Rangbah Shnongs, the different traditional heads are always made part of the entire economic process that we have, because that is the best way to ensure that our programs are successful. And hence, I am truly pleased and happy that today the Rangbah Shnong of Bhoi has taken this initiative, and the opening remarks by the President has laid down this belief and this foundation on the basis of which our society has moved forward and sustained for decades and for centuries, is to trust our traditional institutes, work closely with them, and as mentioned by one of the speakers, work hand in hand. The government, the society, the traditional institutions, and the public at large. Let me assure you that we will continue this bond. We will continue to work together. We may be in different positions. We may be in different posts. But our goal is the same. Our mission is the same, which is to serve the people of our state and to be able to make a difference in their lives. All the different points that we have mentioned today, I have tried to respond to some of them earlier in the CM Connect program and the interaction we had. There was one important program that was discussed in the office last time, which was regarding the office of the Rangbah Bhoi, which was again mentioned in the memorandum today. We didn't get a chance to discuss about it, but maybe this is the right time for me to reply to that. And I'm happy to inform all of you that Honorable Deputy CM and myself have decided together that we will be sanctioning 50 lakhs for the construction of this office. for this institute of Shnong Bhoi. I know it's not enough, but this is a contribution from our side. Partially that will come from my SDF, that is the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, and we do it in convergence with MBDA. But as I said, the 50 lakhs will be provided in 2 different convergence schemes, which we normally do for most of the other organizations also. But as I said, I hope that this will be enough to start the work that you have. And once you have an office, I'm sure it will be a very, very important space for you as traditional heads and as a key player in society to then be able to work in a much more dedicated manner, much more organized manner, and a much more systematic manner to continue serving the people of our state. Regarding the different aspects of tourism, we are all aware that tourism has been a critical part of our growth story. It is important to remember that tourism is not about just one particular event or one brand or one particular project.